Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. And today's video, I'm really excited about this palette. I could not wait for it to arrive. And I'm just really excited to film with it. And it is the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Sugar and Grunge palette. Here's the back of that palette. And here's the inside of this beautiful palette. You guys, look at those shades. Just absolutely beautiful. If you've never tried Blend Bunny Cosmetics before, their palettes, their formula is phenomenal. Just their shimmers are amazing. I absolutely love the mattes. Just all around great formula. So I highly recommend that you try them if you have not done so already. Sorry. So I got my hair done last night and I used, we used more of like a blue black instead of a like purple toned black, if that makes any sense. So I don't know. I love how it looks. And also this little hair here that does not want to be part of the rest of my hair, I decided we're gonna name it Elvis. So Elvis over here, is just kind of hanging out, you know, whatever, it's there. And so just this palette, y'all know I love purples, greens, blues, and even this like pink row, no, right here, is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm really excited. Oh, those shimmers are just so pretty. Y'all know I'm a shimmer girl. I'm trying to decide what I want to do because I've been doing so many like green, purple, blues, but like those are what, like this row right here with those blues is just absolutely calling to me. Yeah, so let's go ahead. Let's just get started. Let's see what happens. Yeah, let's just see how things go. I do want to start with a pink shade. And I'm thinking I want to start with this pink shade Flannel right here. Just for like a crease shade, just to get us started. I need to move my mirror a little bit. There we go. I just like, I don't know, I took my camera down to take fireworks pictures for the 4th of July. And trying to get back in a position to film was so hard. Like it took me probably 30 minutes to try and figure out how to get my chair lined up and everything. And I'm actually sitting quite a bit further back from my table, so I just feel like everything is off. But that's how it goes sometimes. Okay. And so that's why I'm so sweaty, because I had to like get up, move, check the camera, get up, move, check the camera. And when it's like already hot to begin with, you start sweating fast. Like it's bad. So bad. I might have to like take a break and go cool off, because like once I start sweating, like it doesn't stop. Even if I'm being still, my body just will continue to overheat, and it's a horrible feeling. If you guys hear that noise, that's our trash trucks. Like they got really behind because of the holiday, and they're finally just now getting our trash, thank goodness. All right. It's hot. Like there's some days I just start looking at like homes in Washington, like the cheapest things that I can find, because I'm like, these summers are just not doing it for me anymore. They haven't for a while, but the older I get, the less tolerant of heat that my body's becoming. It's rough. Okay, so I'm loving that shade, the way that it looks. It's absolutely, absolutely beautiful. I'm having trouble seeing this side because this light is so bright. Okay. Whew, you guys, so did you do anything for the 4th of July? Did you go watch any fireworks? Just drop that brush. All right, I feel like the hotter I get, the more Elvis is like coming away from the rest of the hair. Whew, goodness gracious, great balls of fire. That is how I'm feeling right now. Great balls of fire. Hunka hunka burning love, since we're like, you know, going with the Elvis theme. Whew. Okay. Now, I want to, I'm thinking. I kind of want to do like a deeper shade on the lash line. And then go in with these pretty shimmer shades over that. Like, just to see how that would look. Like, I'm feeling like that would be a really, really fun idea. But then it's like, which one of these do I use? You know, let's go for that. Let's just try it out, see what happens. It's something different. But now I'm like, will it look okay if I put a glitter glue over this? I mean, but these shades don't really need glitter glues because their shimmers are so good. So let's, you know what? We're gonna try it. Let's go into the shade Teen Spirit, and we're just gonna stamp that all on the lid. So this is gonna be our grunge, and then we're gonna add some sugar, which is going to be those pretty shimmer shades. This actually looks really good together, just the way it is. Like, oh, it's beautiful, beautiful shades. And again, I'm having trouble seeing. I can't really see this part of my eye, so like, hopefully it's turning out okay. Okay. Now we're gonna do the same thing to the other eye. These two shades together are just so pretty. So, so pretty. Okay. Now I'm like, do I want to try and stamp just a smidge of the glitter glue on? I'm like, literally, I'm sweating so bad, I'm like sliding off of this chair. I'm just like picturing myself going sliding off into the floor. Like, what in the world? Okay, so you know what? I am just gonna take a little bit of that glitter glue just to kind of like help it stick down. Hopefully. Oh yeah, that's okay. I was worried it might like pick up too much of the shade, but it's not. So, all right, we're good. Now, where's my little brush that I use for this? Let's start with This pretty pink shade Bubblegum right here, like this is just gorgeous. And we're gonna start with the inner portion of the eye and work our way out and just see what happens, you know? Do you see how pretty that is? Okay, okay, I'm here for it. That looks really, I'm really glad I did this. First I was like, am I making a big mistake? But, sorry, there's like a bug flying. But I am very much enjoying this right now. That bug is just like wanting to come hang out, but I'm not really feeling it right now. I'm not really sure how many shades I'm going to do, so I'm not sure how far to go with each one. But I'm really, you know, maybe we'll do 3. We'll do this one. Next, we're going to do Butterfly, which is this really pretty blue-green shade. And then I think the last shade we're going to do is going to be Jawbreaker. I feel like that is a really good, cool combo of colors. So, again, we're going in with that pretty blue shade Butterfly right now. And we're just going to put that next to the other shade, kind of blend them together. That is really, really pretty. Now I'm going to go on the other side and add that same shade. Very, 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 very pretty, you guys. This is just turning into such a fun look, which is exactly what I wanted. All right, and now we're gonna go in with that purple shade, Jawbreaker, which is that shade right there. That's really pretty. Just so fun. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous. And I'm just kind of taking that purple up a little bit just to kind of blend everything together. Okay. That is so pretty. Now, you guys, we gotta do that lower lash line. Gotta get that figured out. Okay. I'm kind of thinking just this purple shade Moody for the lower lash line. Right there. Now I do want to blend that out with, let's just try the shade Candy, which is that shade right there. Okay, that looks really, really fun. All right. Now for that lower inner corner highlight, I think I'm gonna use the shade Prom Queen, which is that shade right there. All right, you guys, I gotta go do my mascara and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back and this is the finished look. And I hope you guys can see like the different shades in there. I absolutely love how this look came out. I think I might start doing like a couple different shimmer shades on the lid. You know, like maybe 3, maybe 4 if I can work that in, because I'm just loving how this all came together. So, you guys, the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Sugar and Grunge palette. So good. So beautiful. Here's another look at that palette. I just absolutely love these shades, and again, I can't say enough good things about Blend Bunny Cosmetics, you guys. Try one of their palettes out if you have not already done so. Like, you will not be disappointed. So, you guys, we made it through another video. Thank y'all so much for your love, for your support, for being so kind, for giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to my channel, commenting down below, like if there are any palettes you want me to try out, I'd be happy to do so. Yeah, you guys, just please remember that you're loved, you're amazing. I hope that you get to do something that makes you happy today. Just have a wonderful day, morning, night, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I will see y'all in the next one.